When it comes to improving your home's value, many homeowners focus on large renovations like kitchens or bathrooms. However, one upgrade that often delivers a strong return with less effort is replacing your entry door. In Metairie, where curb appeal, durability, and energy efficiency are important, installing a new entry door can significantly enhance both your home's appearance and its market value. One of the most immediate ways a new entry door increases property value is through improved curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. An outdated, faded, or damaged door can make your property look less inviting. In contrast, a modern, well-designed entry door creates a fresh and welcoming first impression. Whether you choose a bold color, decorative glass, or a sleek contemporary style, a new door can instantly elevate your home's exterior. In Metairie's competitive housing market, first impressions matter. A visually appealing entryway can attract potential buyers and make your home stand out. Even if you're not planning to sell right away, enhancing curb appeal adds to your pride of ownership and overall enjoyment of your home. Another major benefit is energy efficiency. Older doors often have poor insulation and worn seals that allow air to leak in and out. This can lead to higher energy bills and inconsistent indoor temperatures. New entry doors are designed with insulated cores and tight weatherstripping that help maintain a stable indoor environment. In Metairie's warm and humid climate, this means keeping cool air inside and reducing the strain on your air conditioning system. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly attractive to buyers, making your home more appealing and valuable. Security is another factor that directly impacts property value. Modern entry doors are built with stronger materials and advanced locking systems that provide better protection. Reinforced frames, multi-point locks, and durable construction make it more difficult for intruders to gain access. For homeowners and buyers alike, a secure home is a top priority, and a new entry door offers added peace of mind. Durability is especially important in a climate like Metairie's, where humidity, heat, and occasional storms can affect building materials. New entry doors made from fiberglass or steel are designed to resist warping, cracking, and corrosion. This long-lasting performance reduces maintenance needs and ensures your door continues to look and function well over time. A home with durable, low-maintenance features is often seen as more valuable and easier to manage. Another way a new entry door adds value is by improving indoor comfort. Properly sealed doors eliminate drafts and help maintain consistent temperatures throughout your home. This creates a more comfortable living environment, which is something buyers immediately notice during showings. A home that feels cool, quiet, and well insulated leaves a strong positive impression. Natural light is another feature that can enhance both comfort and value. Many modern entry doors include glass panels or sidelights that allow sunlight to enter your home. This brightens entryways and creates a more open, inviting atmosphere. With energy-efficient glass options, you can enjoy natural light without increasing heat gain or sacrificing privacy. Upgrading your entry door also provides an opportunity for customization. Homeowners can choose styles, finishes, and hardware that match their home's design and personal taste. This attention to detail contributes to a cohesive and polished look, which can make your home more attractive to potential buyers. From a financial perspective, replacing an entry door is often considered a high-return investment. Compared to larger remodeling projects, it typically requires a lower upfront cost while still delivering noticeable improvements in appearance, efficiency, and security. Many homeowners find that they recover a significant portion of the investment when selling their property. Finally, a new entry door signals that your home has been well maintained. Buyers are more confident in properties that show recent updates and attention to detail. This can make your home easier to sell and potentially increase its market value. In the end, installing a new entry door in your Metairie home is a simple yet powerful way to boost property value. By enhancing curb appeal, improving energy efficiency, increasing security, and creating a more comfortable living space. This upgrade delivers benefits that homeowners and buyers alike can appreciate.